Welcome. So I want you to imagine a place that runs 24/7 with almost no people inside, a place where algorithms are managing these massive supply chains and where intelligence isn't just programmed in, it's actually learned. Today, we're going to step inside the AI factory and you'll see how the future of, well, how everything gets built is already here.
Just think about that for a second. Machines are building machines. This isn't some far-off sci-fi concept anymore. It's the simple, powerful truth at the heart of a manufacturing revolution that is literally happening right now as we speak.
All right, to really get a handle on this incredible shift, here's a quick roadmap of what we'll cover. We're going to start with the whole idea of factories without people. Then we'll define what this Industry 5.0 thing is all about. After that, we'll look at some amazing real-world examples, unpack all the benefits, and finally, explore what this really means for the future of creation itself.
So our first stop is this core idea, factories that are almost completely automated. And we're not just talking about facilities with a few robot arms. No, these are fully integrated ecosystems where machines and algorithms are pretty much in charge, making decisions way faster and more accurately than ever before.
You know, this whole new paradigm actually has a name, Industry 5.0. It's a huge leap beyond just simple automation. We're moving from factories that rely on human precision to ones powered by machine intelligence. But what exactly makes an AI factory tick?
Okay, so at its heart, an AI factory is a place where these super smart robots and algorithms don't just do tasks, they manage the entire operation. They are constantly learning from massive amounts of data in real time and optimizing everything, from a single screw being tightened all the way to the global logistics of shipping the final product out the door.
This chart right here really clarifies the difference. You see, in a traditional factory, automation is all about repetitive tasks. But in an AI factory, it's about intelligent learning. Data isn't just collected and filed away, it's used for real-time optimization. And here's the big one. Decisions shift from being human-led to being AI-driven and even predictive. The system can see problems before they happen. And this, right here, this is the core of Industry 5.0. It's not about replacing humans completely, not at all. It's about creating this seamless blend where the precision of robotics and the learning power of AI work together with our human ingenuity and creativity.
Okay, theory is one thing, but seeing this tech out in the wild is something else entirely. So let's take a look at some companies that are already living in this future.
Our first stop is probably one of the most famous examples of modern manufacturing out there, Tesla's Gigafactory. It's a place that has totally rethought how cars get built, putting automation and AI right at the center of everything they do.
If you went inside, you'd find over 1,000 robots, and they're operating around the clock. They aren't just mindlessly repeating tasks either. They're welding, painting, and assembling vehicles with this incredible level of precision that's guided by artificial intelligence, making sure every single component fits perfectly.
All right, next up, let's look at the backbone of modern e-commerce. Amazon's fulfillment centers are these sprawling, incredibly complex operations that have to move millions of items every single day. And the only way to manage that kind of scale is with AI. Amazon uses a staggering 350,000 autonomous robots across its warehouses. And these little guys aren't just moving boxes. They're part of a massive, AI-managed hive mind that optimizes every single second of the workflow, from the moment you click buy to the second that package leaves the building.
Now, for an industry you might not immediately think of when you hear AI factory, construction. But believe it or not, AI is totally revolutionizing how we build the very houses we live in, making it faster, cheaper, and way more efficient.
Get this! Companies like Icon are now using AI-driven 3D printers to construct the entire frame of a house in under 48 hours. The AI doesn't just guide the printer, it analyzes soil conditions, weather patterns, and material efficiency before a single drop of concrete is laid. It's truly remarkable.
So, this revolution isn't just about making things faster. The benefits actually run much deeper. We're talking about transforming factories into places that are more intelligent, more sustainable, and a whole lot safer.
Let's just break down these advantages. First, they're smarter. Companies create what they call digital twins, basically virtual copies of their factories, to run thousands of simulations, catching errors and eliminating waste before production even starts. They're also greener because the AI optimizes supply chains to reduce travel distances and slash carbon emissions. And finally, they're safer. Predictive maintenance algorithms can spot when a piece of equipment might fail and prevent accidents before they ever have a chance to happen.
So the benefits in efficiency and safety are super clear,
But what does this all add up to on a global scale? What's the actual economic value of this massive technological shift?
Well, according to research by PwC, the projected global economic impact of this wave of automation is a jaw-dropping $15 trillion by 2030. That's not just an industry changing, that's a global economic transformation.
Now, this chart gives us some really crucial context. Even with that massive economic impact, forecasts show that by 2030, about 45% of manufacturing tasks will be automated. You know what that means? 55% will still involve humans. This really highlights that collaborative future we're heading towards.
And this brings us to the final and maybe the most important question of all. With machines and AI taking on more and more of the actual building, what does that mean for our role? What is the future of human creation in a world full of AI factories?
I think this quote just captures the essence of this new era perfectly. The most ambitious projects of our future, we're talking entire cities, revolutionary products, they won't be built by human hands alone. They'll be the result of a partnership with these intelligent systems that can work and learn and optimize constantly, forever.
The technology is here, and its capabilities are only going to grow. So the real challenge and the greatest opportunity is no longer about how we build things, but what we build. With these incredibly powerful new tools at our fingertips, what kind of world will we choose to create?